SpongeBob's here to see Patrick. Ooh, looks like he's out jellyfishing. Hold on, he must have forgot his hands. Is that his head? Oh, no, that's it over there. Keep looking until we find his pants next. Oh, don't worry. We can always rebuild him. Looks like this star will rise again. You can tell this is SpongeBob's luggage. It's got his face on it. All his stuff's got his face on it. And yet, his luggage still goes missing. It's such a shame to lose good slime. And it's important stuff from Goo Lagoon, too. The best part is when we've got all the colors collected. You can use it to make a bright, shiny rainbow. Why don't we give it a nice massage? Uh-oh, the colors are blending! Add something on top. Ah, is there anything that glitter can't fix? Mix it together, and what have you got? I'm not sure, but it kind of looks like a pumpkin. Until you open it up, and it's Sponge Block. Which means Patrick isn't too far behind. And look, we've even got Mr. Krabs. The gang's almost here. Oh boy, it's 3 a.m. You know what that means. It's time for a delicious Krabby Patty. Would you like Krabby fries with that? Open up, Patrick. SpongeBob made it with love. Nothing but the best for his best friend. And there's always room for dessert. Don't know why, but strawberry made him think of you. Something to wash it down. And for a little gas relief. I think he could use a wet wipe. Next, SpongeBob wants to play with a cardboard puzzle. Let's speed things up with a little karate! Next up, collect all of these pieces and stack them up together. It's just what we need to finish our special diorama. It's really nice, but it could use some colors. Yellow for SpongeBob. And pink for Patrick. Of course, we need to make sure to spread it around, too. Looks like a job for our trusty paintbrush. Make sure to clean it, or Patrick will end up orange. Don't forget a little white for the eyes. Plus some baby blues. Wow, it's almost like they're springing to life. Ooh, look at all of this colorful sand. About time Squidward made an appearance. He sure likes to make an impression, doesn't he? Now it's Mr. Krabs. Hope he doesn't charge us for this. Of course, we can't forget the star of the show. And we're not talking about Patrick. We mean SpongeBob. But don't worry, we haven't forgotten SpongeBob's best friend. Still, I think it's time we put our personal stamp on things. Actually, there's all sorts of things we can do with our friends. Though they might not keep in one place. Don't worry, we can always make more of them. Well, as long as we keep those cookie cutters. Okay, that was fun. But you know what's more fun? Why, it's bringing everybody together. In fact, we're gonna need a big mold for this next job. This SpongeBob's got a little bit of everyone inside him. But why don't we help him with these bubbles? You know how SpongeBob makes everything a party, especially when bubbles are involved. Oh, look, Patrick sure could use a shave.
Wow.
Well, at least he looks better than he smells. Smells like Patrick's in need of a potty party. Just relax and let nature take its course. Wow, those Krabby Patties ran right through you. A clean finish. If only that could describe the rest of you. Here, lie back, relax, and we'll give you a wash. Water won't do much on its own. Well, a sponge has gotta do what a sponge has gotta do. Just lather, rinse, and repeat. Seriously, repeat. And soon, our old Patrick is back. Look, it's a mini SpongeBob. And he's ready, he's ready, he's ready. Ready to start spinning, complete with light show. SpongeBob is a real party animal. Just wait until he does the bunny hop. But now, it's time for him to hit the floor. Ah, Gary's always been so supportive of him. Anyone in the mood for seafood pasta? Just kidding. Soon we'll have the piece we need. Let's take a trip to Bikini Bottom. It's Mr. Krabs, Squidward, Plankton, Patrick, and our spunky friends? Well, if we're all out of SpongeBob, we'll just have to make one ourselves. Just need big blue eyes and a lot of yellow. Ah, glitter. Is there anything it can't do? Now let's get you, shall we say, ready. I think we earned a Krabby Patty break. 3 in the morning came early today. Come on, Patrick, try to catch them with your mouth. Granted, that seems to be your only option. But be careful, they go to your thighs. Don't worry, it's just a segue to our SpongeBob game book. SpongeBob and Patrick are playing in the sand. Aw, they included Squidward in their game. But maybe you guys need some time apart. Oh, poor SpongeBob. But we've got a solution. Can you dig it? That's right, we're making a secret tunnel. Good, they're heading in the right direction. Uh-oh, talk about dealing with roadblocks. Ah, pickaxes, what can't they do? Uh-oh, tremors! Looks like you guys made a sinkhole. Well, what goes up must come down. Why don't we make you new houses? Sure that giant burger is safe? From Patrick? At least Squidward's new house stays on brand. I mean, he does like blue. And SpongeBob's partial to fruit. That was fun. But now it's time for work. Orders in. SpongeBob needs to make 100 patties.
What?
But first, let's do a quick inventory check. Uh-oh, the 5-second rule doesn't apply here. We're gonna need to order new ingredients. And who says we can't have a little fun, too? Come on, flip those patties. Nice. Can't forget the condiments. Or the toppings. And don't forget the pickles this time. In the end, the best patties are made with love. Still, I think we need to speed things up. Place one patty in the microwave. Now let's go shopping for some secret ingredients. Plankton might want our secret formula, but he's got a few good ones of his own. Just watch what happens when we mix all this together. Orders up! Now it's time to have fun with the SpongeBob babies. Each one of them wants a special treat. Ooh, and there's so much to choose from. But treats cost money, and we're low on funds. Well then, I guess we'll have to go on a treasure hunt. Keep your eyes out. There's a whole lot of green in here, but there's money to be found. Come on, there's $4 in total. We got it! And there's one for each of you. Okay, fill the machine and pick a treat. Hey, what's going on? Well, oh, that Mr. Krabs. I know, a little jellyfishing should fix things. This should put a shock to your system. Now all our baby friends get all of the candies. Looks like everyone's got their own favorite. Uh-oh, baby Patrick doesn't look so good. He's backed up. Why don't we help move things along? Wow, who knew potty training could be so fun? Almost done. Looks like it's a number 3, sort of. All better. And your diaper's still clean. SpongeBob's getting serious air on Patrick. Uh-oh, guess he's not the sponge who could fly. Let's try some other kinds of fun, like a race. You guys just need a little walk cycle to get you started. This could be anyone's race, but who will win? SpongeBob won! But on to the next round. The object of this next game is to catch the most jellyfish. Uh-oh, looks like SpongeBob caught an urchin. But something tells me he got the point. Aw, that one jelly sure has big eyes. Well, at least this guy is friendly. Uh-oh, Gary warned us about you. Patrick's in the lead by 1 jelly. That means he's won the game. Now you're tied. Of course, this also means that we need a tiebreaker. Why don't we grab a magic dry erase marker and whip up a whole school of fish? Here, you boys are gonna need some straws. This time, we're racing some fish. Yellow wins! It's time for the victory party. But where's SpongeBob, our host? Oh no! He isn't looking too good. Okay, party's over. You need some rest. In the meantime, we'll clean things up. And we should probably put this furniture back in place. This place is looking better already. We should get our own home makeover show.
Yeah.
Which means it's time to check on our patient. Uh-oh, you got a fever. Let's clean up that face. And some herbal tea can work wonders. Your clothes could have germs, so in the wash they go. Add enough detergent. Now let's take things for a spin. Ah, warm and toasty. Soon you'll be a whole new sponge. And just in time, the gang's heading to Glove World.
Wow.
A strength tester. Too bad Sandy's not here. Why don't you go first, Patrick? Wow, rank 10! Let's see if Squidward can do better. Oh, guess Squidward's tougher than he looks. Think you can beat that, SpongeBob? Probably not.
Oops.
But maybe you could use a little help. And this is why it's important to hydrate. Wow, you got rank 100! Sandy would be so proud. But what other games are there? Pull the hammer? Come on, give it a go, Squidward. Aw, it's okay. He's got other tentacles. Your turn, Patrick. Good thing starfish can regrow parts. Come on, Mr. Krabs, put your Navy days to work. Well, I guess he can't miss his next flight. Okay, SpongeBob, let's put your new strength to work. It's like it's attached. Hey, what's that? A baby in need? Super Sponge to the rescue! He's deflating, but it was all for the greater good. Wait, that was the secret test! You won! I, for one, welcome the new king of Bikini Bottom.